In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a still photo in Canva, converting an image into a dynamic video presentation. Whether for social media, presentations, or personal projects, this process will infuse your visuals with life and movement in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by logging into your Canva account. If you aren't already signed in, head to Canva's website, enter your login details, and access the main dashboard. Once there, position your mouse just below the search bar in the middle of the dashboard and click on Upload. This action opens up the File Upload options. Next, select Upload Files. A window will pop up prompting you to choose a picture that you want to animate. Pick your favorite still photo from your device and upload it to Canva. Now that your photo is uploaded, click on your image to select it. This will activate the Edit Image option, which you'll see appear above the canvas. Go ahead and click on Edit Image. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll notice a range of tools including Crop, Adjust, Magic Studio, Filters, and Effects. We're interested in the option labeled Magic Grab, located just below Magic Studio. It's important to note that this feature is only accessible inside a design, so you'll want to click Open as Design. Be patient while your photo loads into the editor. Once inside the design editor, click on your image to ensure it's highlighted for the next operation. This is essential for the Magic Grab tool to work. After selecting your image, click Grab. Allow a moment for the tool to generate its effects. Following the generation process, click on Animate, which provides you with a list of various animation styles. For today, locate General Animation and select Breath. This subtle yet effective animation gives the appearance of gentle movement and adds a pleasing dynamic without being overpowering. With the breath animation selected, you may wish to adjust how it begins. Click on Out and scale it according to your preference, ensuring the animation fits your creative vision perfectly. After adjusting these settings, select the background of your canvas. Repeat the animation process by clicking on Breath under General Animation, then In. And once more, tweak the scale to your liking. Once satisfied, ensure your highlighted section is correctly set. Then, at the top right corner of the page, you'll see a Play button. Click it to preview your brilliantly animated still photo. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to transform static images into engaging animated videos using Canva's intuitive tools. Experiment with different animations and enjoy bringing your photos to life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and it opens up new creative possibilities for your visual projects. Happy animating!